Ashleigh,
Well, hello and welcome back to the Nature Valley International in sunny Eastbourne once again. Third quarter-final of the day as the top seed and world number 2, Caroline Wozniacki, takes on a very informed player in Ashleigh Barty, the 8th seed. Oh yes, kills it dead.
And there's a backhand pass from Barty earlier on down the line. Wozniacki reading it very well this time. Great hand skills just to cut that ball.
Both of these players striking the ball so cleanly and confidently.
That's his forehand from that backhand side. She gets the positioning right and is able to rotate right into the shot. Such a danger. She can hit the inside out and inside in.
Well, one sloppy service game is a very costly service game for Ash Barty because it's Caroline Wozniacki who sneaks the first set. Top seed looking good. Takes the opener by 6 games to 4.
She knew she had to put some extra aggression into it because Barty had already made her move and she didn't want to change the direction.
Have to be careful with the hand skills of the Australian.
Lovely drop shot, lovely feel. Took the racket back as if she was going to slice it deep down the line and just able to cut down on the ball. That's why I think we've seen Barty trying to hit more backhands down the line to hit to the Wozniacki forehand to try and get the play more on her forehand side.
It's long, and it's Barty who does break again. And this second set continues to meander one way then the other. And now it's the 8th seed who's back in front, 3-2. Well, we saw the hot dog. It was a bit of an improvised hot dog, but it worked nonetheless. Barty able to keep her concentration to win the point.
And Barty had moved forwards well. Wozniacki didn't know that as she was playing the shot. A fantastic shot it was. Getting it up and over.
Just everything going against Barty. To take nothing away from the foot speed from Caroline Wozniacki. Great control too once she got there.
What an athlete she is. To notice that Barty was still so close to the net, to be able to have the control after running at such fast pace up the court.
For the 6th time in her career, Wozniacki moves into the semi-finals in Eastbourne. She just loves this tournament. It was a very tight first set. It could have gone either way, but it went the top seed's way. And after a topsy-turvy second set, it was the Dane who was able to come through it. Defeats the 8th seed, Ash Barty, 6-4, 6-3 in an hour and 19 minutes.